I'm standing out in front of our house that we're remodeling here in Zihuatanejo, and today I thought it'd be fun to tell you a little bit about how we earn a living here in Mexico. By far the most common question that we get from mostly Americans and Canadians down here is, how can you afford to live in Mexico full-time? Allie and I are pretty lucky that we've gone now 3.5 years without having a real job. We don't have some secret job that pays a lot, and we aren't independently wealthy. Fortunately, in Zihuatanejo, if you want to fit in, then living a modest lifestyle is the way to do it. So not having that secret job or having stacks of cash in the bank works out well in our favor. So how do we live in Mexico full-time? As Mexican residents, we're legally allowed to earn income while living in Mexico. With our condo rental property near here, we bring in a fair amount of income. And the expectation is, in the next year, this property as well will help. We also are the property managers of another condo rental, and we hope to manage a few more in the next year. As a result of these rentals and through our property's websites, we're able to earn a little bit more income through the rental of items like snorkel gear and surfboards, and providing services such as grocery delivery. We also dipped our toes into tourism retail last year, so we're selling a few items through vendors in town. And again, this is a few more dollars per week, but something that's fun to do. We have a few semi-stable sources of income. One is through the sale of a vacation home that we had back in the United States. We self-financed it, so so each month we receive a mortgage check as the bank. Also, Allie and I both work about 6 hours per week online. Allie's an English teacher, and I am a nonprofit consultant. We additionally volunteer about the same amount of time per week. Allie at the local animal shelter here in Ziwa, and me with my own nonprofit. Lastly, every year there are additional things that pop up and provide us with a little bit of incremental income, but ultimately there is no one-size-fits-all job or way to live and work in Mexico. But this is how we do it. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.